There are a few steps you can follow to invest in cryptocurrency. Research. Before you start investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to understand how it works and what risks are involved. Research different cryptocurrencies and exchanges to find one that meets your needs. Choose an exchange. There are many exchanges available, so you'll need to choose one that is reliable and meets your needs. Consider factors such as fees, security, and the types of cryptocurrencies available. Open an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. This may involve providing identification and proof of address. Deposit funds. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds using a bank transfer or credit card. Some exchanges also allow you to deposit cryptocurrency directly. Buy cryptocurrency. Once you have deposited funds, you can use them to buy cryptocurrency. The process for buying cryptocurrency will vary depending on the exchange you are using. It's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency carries risks, and you should always do your own research and due diligence before making any investments. You should also be aware of the potential for fraud and scams in the cryptocurrency